Versace. Just got it. Damn, box. Damn, man. They could have did me a little better than that. Or just my return label and stuff. And the Versace paper. Why is it not closed? My shit came in a box just like this, though.
Alright, the reason why your dishes aren't as clean as you like is your dishwasher. It's the detergent. I recommend Cascade Platinum, and in your routine, let's watch it work. Cascade Platinum uses Dawn as a built-in
I don't know what that is. That ain't shit.
Rehydrates dried on food. Lifts it off.
These are it.
And breaks it down for sparkling clean dishes the first time. Okay, who wants to start?
Put them on my feet right there.
Load.
Perfect fit.
And we're done.
Probably could use a little extra room, but they feel good.
Done.
Feel good, look good. I just gotta wear some socks on them. All black socks.
This is unfair and unacceptable. From the moment that boy was born, Judith's parents squeezed me out of the picture, and you
He's fire.
Interesting point. Excuse